We are in our Piano Adventures book, Level 1, and we are in our Christmas book. And today we are playing We Three Kings of Orient are. So let's look at the structure of this piece. At the very beginning, our first four measures, we have a repeat. We three kings of Orient are, repeat. Bearing gifts, we traverse afar. And then we have another repeat. At measure 18, star of wonder, star of night, repeat back to measure 18, star of royal beauty bright. It's actually measure 22 when you do the repeat. And then we go on, westward leading, still proceeding, guide us to the perfect light. And our hand position, we are here on C and C here. And then if you notice at measure 18, we move down to here. And our thumb is just going to move up to the A at beauty bright and thy perfect light. But our hand's going to stay here for the rest of the piece. Okay, and this is in 3/4 time. So this is a waltz. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We three kings of Orient are. 2, 3. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I've done the duet part, so now we're going to move up to here. And we have our second movement at measure 18, where we're going to move back to here. So here we go, We Three Kings.